What if I told you that one simple flower can help brighten your skin naturally without bleaching creams? Today we are talking about hibiscus face masks for hyperpigmentation, how they work, why they're effective, and step-by-step DIY recipes you can make at home. If you want clear, glowing, even toned skin the natural way, keep watching because I'm sharing powerful combinations that actually work. Now, what is hibiscus and why it works? Hibiscus, scientifically known as Hibiscus sanguifer, is often called the botox plant because of its natural skin firming and brightening properties. In Nigeria, the hibiscus plant is called Zobo, and we make a drink with it called Zobo drink, and is very popular in Nigeria. Most people don't know that they can actually use it to fade dark spots and achieve a glowing skin. Nigerians make very good drink out of Zobo. But today I'm telling you that hibiscus Zobo is not only for drinking, it can also help with your hyperpigmentation. Why is hibiscus amazing for hyperpigmentation? It is rich in vitamin C, which helps brighten dull skin and fade dark spots. Yes, hibiscus helps to brighten your dull skin and fade all the dark spots on your face because it contains vitamin C. It also contains natural AHAs, which gently exfoliates dead skin cells. Yes, the AHAs in hibiscus plants help to exfoliate dead skin cells on your skin. Hibiscus is also high in antioxidants, which helps to fight free radicals damage. At times you will not understand what's happening on your face. It's not clear, it's not dark, it's not bright, but hibiscus plant has antioxidant that fights all those damage on your skin. It is also anti-inflammatory, which reduces redness and post-acne marks. Yes, so at times your skin gets red from itching, acne marks and all those things. So the anti-inflammatory property of hibiscus help to reduce those redness. It improves cells turnover, which helps fade hyperpigmentation faster. People want fast results for hyperpigmentation, for dark spots and every damage to their skin. Hibiscus helps to resolve that faster. If you struggle with acne scars, sunspots, uneven skin tone, post anti-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, hibiscus can be a gentle natural solution. So if you struggle with a lot of dark spots, sunburn, uneven skin tone, use hibiscus flower today. Look for it and use it. It will clear all those things. You will be amazed to see the difference in your skin. So rush, go and get your hibiscus plant. In Nigeria, it's called Zobo. Go and get your Zobo plant. This time around, don't make a drink with it. Use it for your skin. Now, important before you start. Before using any DIY face mask, always do a patch test. Yes, if you want to know that hibiscus flower is good for your skin, don't just carry it and apply it all over your face or all over your skin. Do a patch test on a little area of your skin to see if it's good for your skin. If your skin did not irritate you or cause anything for you on your skin, then you can go ahead and use it on your entire skin. Use sunscreen daily, very important when treating hyperpigmentation. Yes, the fact that hibiscus works very well, that doesn't mean you should skip sunscreen. Use sunscreen. Do not over exfoliate. Yes, if you're using hibiscus, don't over exfoliate. Avoid if you have very sensitive or broken skin. Now, if you have a sensitive or a broken skin, that's why I said it's good to patch test first to know if it's good for your skin. You can patch test it on a little area of your skin before applying it to know if it's good or bad for your skin. So if you have a very sensitive or broken skin, just avoid it. Now let's get into the DIY recipes. How to mix hibiscus flower to get that glowing skin, to help with your hyperpigmentation, to get rid of that dark marks on your face and acne marks and all the damage, all the irritation on your skin. So let's get into all the DIY recipes here. DIY 1. Hibiscus plus honey brightening mask, best for acne marks and dull skin. This particular mask is good if you have acne marks on your face and your skin is dull, not bright. Then pay attention to these DIY masks so that it can help with your acne and dull skin. The ingredients you need is 1 tablespoon hibiscus powder or dried hibiscus blended, 1 tablespoon raw honey, few drops of water if needed. If you want, you can add few drops of water. Now, how do you make it? Mix everything into a smooth paste. How to use: apply to clean face, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse with lukewarm water, then moisturize immediately after. Why it works: honey hydrates and soothes, while hibiscus gently exfoliates and brightens. Use it 2 to 3 times weekly, so you don't have to be using it every day. Just 2 to 3 times a week is okay, and you will get to see the results. DIY 2: hibiscus plus aloe vera dark spot corrector, best for sensitive or acne prone skin. Yes, if you have sensitive skin or acne prone skin, this DIY mask is for you. The ingredients you will need are 1 tablespoon hibiscus powder, 1 tablespoon fresh aloe vera gel. Now, how to make it: mix it into a gel-like paste. You know, aloe vera is in a gel form, so you mix it with the aloe vera in a gel-like paste. How to use: apply thin layer, leave it for 15 minutes, rinse gently, and apply sunscreen in the morning. So when you use it in the morning, you moisturize your face immediately after and apply sunscreen. Why it works: aloe vera calms inflammation, while hibiscus improves skin renewal. It will renew your skin and your skin will become new glow. You'll even be amazed of how beautiful and glowing your skin is looking. Perfect for fading post-acne hyperpigmentation. Now, DIY number 3: hibiscus plus yogurt plus turmeric glow mask, best for stubborn pigmentation. There are some pigmentation on your skin that you try different products in this world, but they are still there. They will not go away. Try using this particular DIY mask I'm about to tell you. Ingredients you will need: 1 tablespoon hibiscus powder, 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, a pinch of turmeric. I'm telling you, if you use this particular DIY mask, your hyperpigmentation is gone. How to make it: mix until smooth and creamy. How to use: apply evenly, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse thoroughly. Yes, why it works: yogurt contains lactic acid for exfoliation, turmeric brightens, and hibiscus boosts cells turnover. Use once weekly. So you see, most of these DIY masks is not something you'll be doing daily, because if you use it daily, they can ruin and damage your skin. Then you will not get to see the result. Then you blame hibiscus saying it is not working for you. But if you know the right amount to use, then your skin will give you the result that you want. DIY 4: hibiscus toner for daily use, best for gradual fading of dark spots. Yes, you can make hibiscus toner at home and be using it daily. It will gradually fade all the dark spots on your face. Ingredients that you need: 1 cup of hot water, 2 tablespoons dry hibiscus petals. How to make it: steep for 15 to 20 minutes, strain, store in fridge up to 5 days. Yes, you can leave it in the fridge up to 5 days and using it daily. How to use: apply with cotton pad, use once daily at night, follow with moisturizer. So in the night before you go to sleep, you can just apply it on your face using a cotton pad. Then immediately after that, you moisturize your face. This is a gentle way to improve hyperpigmentation over time. How long before you see results? You see, a lot of people want to see results immediately they apply a skincare product, whether natural or chemical. Natural remedies take consistency. Not only natural remedies, all type of skincare takes consistency. Whether you are using chemical products or natural products, they all take consistency for you to see the result. So mild pigmentation, it will take 3 to 4 weeks. If you only have mild pigmentation on your face, it will take 3 to 4 weeks. Then moderate pigmentation will take 6 to 8 weeks for you to begin to see results. Always combine with sunscreen. So don't come and say, I've been applying this one, this is 1 week now, I've not seen result. It takes time. Just be patient and be consistent. And immediately after all this DIY you have applied on your face, apply a moisturizer and a sunscreen on your face. Remember, you cannot face that spot if you are not protecting your skin from the sun. That's why sunscreen is very important. There are some common mistakes to avoid when using hibiscus plants. Yes, so if you don't avoid this mistake, they can ruin your skin, you will not see the result, and you begin to feel it's not working for you. But if you follow the steps, look out for those mistakes and make sure you do what is right, then your skin will glow and you will appreciate hibiscus. So some common mistakes to avoid are using it daily as a mask. I said it earlier, don't use it daily. Skipping sunscreen. Some people apply and forget about sunscreen. Use sunscreen daily, even if you are indoors. Leaving it on for too long. For each of the DIY I have mentioned, I've given a time range you are allowed to leave it on your face. Some 10 minutes, some 10 to 15 minutes. So know the time range. Don't leave it for a long time on your face. It can ruin and damage your skin. Mixing too many active ingredients. I've mentioned different DIY recipes to use, but some people will try to mix a lot of things. It will damage your skin. Make sure you know the type of DIY you are using and the ingredients necessary for that particular DIY. Don't just add any other ingredients to it. Expect overnight result. I said it earlier, you don't expect overnight results. Some will take 3 to 4 weeks to see results, others 6 to 8 weeks, depending on your type of hyperpigmentation. Just be consistent, because consistency will lead to intensity. Who should not use hibiscus? There are some people with some skin type that hibiscus is not good for them, especially people with extremely sensitive skin, active eczema or broken skin. If you experience burning or irritation, always listen to your skin. So if you have a very sensitive skin or an active eczema or broken skin, just stay away from hibiscus till your skin heals. And always do a patch test on your skin. Always listen to your skin and know what your skin wants and apply what your skin wants on your skin. Don't copy from people. Patch test first to know if it's good for your skin. Bonus tip for faster result. A lot of people want fast result. They don't want to stay and wait for 2 weeks, 3 weeks. They want to apply it today and see the results today. So for faster hyperpigmentation fading, use vitamin C serum in the morning. Yes, if you have vitamin C serum after the DIY mask, use vitamin C serum in the morning. Use hibiscus mask 2 to 3 times weekly, not every day, 2 to 3 times weekly. Apply sunscreen SPF 30+ daily. Stay hydrated, meaning drink plenty of water. Combine natural remedies with smart skincare habits. Yes, if you apply natural remedy, that doesn't mean you should leave it like that. Look for good skincare products that suit your skin. So from today, Nigerians, hibiscus Zobo is not only for drinking, no, it's also good for your skin. So as you drink the juice, also use it for effective glowing skin to get rid of dark spots, acne marks, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone on your face, because hibiscus is a very good natural skincare product. If you found this video helpful, comment hibiscus glow below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you want more natural skincare remedies that actually works, especially for melanin rich skin, this channel is for you. See you in the next video. Bye.